Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin your reels on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin with our tutorial. So first, you will need to open your Instagram. After that, you will be needing to go to your profile and see all your reels and your posts. So by clicking on our profile picture, we will find these reels and everything. So as you can see, I have my posts and I have all these reels. Now we will be needing to pin our reels. And to do so, you will need to simply edit your posts. So I'm just going to click on this one, and here you can already see that you will be able to pin this post. And by clicking on here, you will have a pin option to your main grid. So by clicking on pin to your main grid, you will be able to pin these reel to your posts. So by clicking again to profile picture, you will find that your reel has been pinned successfully into your main grid. And if you go to the reel page, you won't have this option of pinning things because it's not your main grid and there is nothing to pin there. That means all your posts or images or stuff that you want to pin, you will be able to do it for your main grid. You will need just to go to editing or to any post and then click on it. And again, you will need just to click on this 3 points icon. And from the menu, you will find this pin to your main grid, and that would allow you to pin your post. And of course, to unpin your post, you will be needing to simply go again to that post. You click on the 3 points icon and you click on unpin, and you will have it removed from your main grid or at least unpin. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.